What's going on, guys? So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of the Safe Life Defense tactical uniform carrier. I haven't seen too many videos on this one in particular, so I just figured I'd show you guys me opening the box so you can kind of see what you're getting into here. The reason I went with this one, I'm moving to a new department that allows more of the MOLLE look. You know, the difference between this one. There's two uniform carriers. One's a non-tactical and one's a tactical. The only difference that I know offhand is just that there's MOLLE webbing on the bottom half of the vest for customization and stuff like that. So that's a big reason why I wanted to go with this one. I like to be able to customize it, and then I still need that professional look. You know, I can't go with a full tactical vest MOLLE over the whole thing. So decided to go with this. Seen some good reviews, but like I said, not too many videos on this, so I'll show you guys kind of what we're getting into. See the logo there? Box is actually kind of heavier than I thought it would be. Just for the vest and the plates. It is soft armor, so get it opened up. Alright, so, you know, typical paperwork, booklet, blah blah blah. Oh, and by the way, the price on this, there was a discount that I was able to get. There's a guy who did a video on this already on YouTube. If you check it out, he was going over a few different vests. It kind of seemed like it was one of those, you know, paid programming type things, but check it out. You know, it's pretty easy to find if you look this up on YouTube, but his discount saved me almost $70. But I ended up paying just under $650 for the whole thing, and that is with the $15 customizable patch, my name on it. Just figured, why not? You got the vest here. It's actually pretty nice looking. You can see you got the 3 rows of MOLLE on the front, 2 breast pockets, got a mic or a body cam loop right here. You see it has the slits for your badge, name tape, Velcro loop, and then a clean back. I kind of wish that there was maybe a couple rows of MOLLE on each side. I like to put my cuffs on my, I should say my past job, I was able to put a pair of cuffs on each side of my rear of the vest. That would have been nice, but got the 3 rows of MOLLE up front. Try to figure out how I'm gonna set everything up. But so yeah, there's as for the level of protection on this, I went with the 3A plus protection. You know, that's all the typical handgun, shotgun rounds. What the 3A plus does is gives you extra armor protection, armor piercing protection from shotgun and handgun rounds, as well as slashing, stabbing, different kind of protection like that from blades. So it's a little bit higher above 3A. I went with this in particular. Another reason is because it's NIJ certified. Their 3A isn't NIJ certified for whatever reason yet. So I wanted to get the certified armor so I can, you know, when I was pitching it to my police chief, you know, it wasn't a big deal. Not like he's taking a risk, or I don't want to take a risk also. I want stuff that's certified, obviously. So this vest is polymer. I think it's listed as 600 denier water resistant, or polyester is what I meant to say. 600 denier water resistant polyester. So, you know, maybe I would have preferred to have a kind of a more resistant nylon. Usually a lot of the vests that you get are nylon. Maybe a little bit hold up better to certain elements, the sun, stuff like that is what I was reading a little bit. but decided to go with this. You know, I'll see how it goes. I'll do a status update to see kind of what it's looking like a year from now and stuff like that. If you guys want to see it, just let me know. So when you look at the front of the vest, the 2 breast pockets, you know, typical. And I can kind of show you, I can do a setup video as well when I'm done setting this thing up fully, so you guys can kind of see how I set up my vest. So let me know if you want to see that. Got some pen pockets. They kind of just become part of that breast pocket. Doesn't stick out, nothing too crazy. Looks like you got some hidden pockets. Oh, they're actually a part of your flap. So if you go through here, you know, I guess that could be nice if you wanted to stick some things, like if you wanted to attach your body cam a different way, you can go in from the side. If you want to, for some reason, undo this and take stuff out of these pockets instead of going up the top, whatever. A little bit of personal preference thing there. So you got a hidden breast pocket in the center here. You see how deep that is? Fit a decent amount of stuff in there. Well, like I said, I'm not sure how I'm going to set it up yet. But the 3 rows of MOLLE, so you got 4 across and 3 rows. I kind of wish there was an additional row. When I was looking at kind of how I was going to set this up, it took me a long time because, you know, I want to be able to put my taser on here. Obviously, each cop's going to be different as to what he wants on the vest versus what does he want on the belt. So I kind of wish there was a little bit more MOLLE, or even some MOLLE on the back, give you a little bit more options, but this is fine. I'm going to figure out exactly how I want to get it set up. As far as adjustments on this, there's 4 points of adjustment. You can adjust the shoulders and each side. They also make 3A and maybe even 3+ as well, but they make side protection. As you can see, this is just a strap with nothing else here. So they do make side protection if you want to go that route. We'll see. I might get it just to see if it's, you know, if it's comfortable or not. Obviously this is going to be the most comfortable, but if I think I can swing it, I don't know, might go with that side protection later on. Inside, it's all, you can kind of see the material there, like a breathable mesh. It'd be nice if there was a couple internal pockets, you know, stuff pockets on each side. I know a lot of vests have that. My last vest had that. It's nice just for putting, you know, medical gloves, anything small. I actually used to put my backup gun, which is a Glock 43. I used to stuff that in the inside of my vest. So I'll have to go a different route for that kind of stuff. But I'll actually take the armor out here so you guys can get a look at the armor. Yeah, fits nice and snug in here, so I mean, it's giving you that clean appearance. Nothing worse than having a big baggy vest with stuff hanging out everywhere. So that's pretty much it. I think I covered the majority of it. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know. And like I said, I can do it an updated video when I set it up, and you know, my eventual thoughts on it. Actually, I'll switch into a polo real quick and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so you can kind of see how that's looking. I haven't adjusted anything yet. You know, I might want to adjust the shoulders a little bit. I think the coverage, you know, you want it right at that clavicle notch. Actually, I think the height's pretty good. You can kind of see, you know, I just threw any polo that I had on, just a dark colored polo. I think the coverage is pretty nice. Kind of get a look. I'm 6 foot 220, so if that helps out at all. This is a large. This vest is the large. So large, 6 foot 220. This is how it looks, roughly. I might adjust it a little bit. Mess with it, see if I can do better, but right now I like how it feels. You know, the armor is a little stiff at first. It's gonna be, you know, it'll break in a little bit as with a vest. But yeah, like I said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you guys do want to see that updated video when it's set up, and then a down the road video of how it's holding up, just let me know.